this is our chocolate dipping, whereby you choose whatever you want to dip in your chocolates. As you can see the trays, we have 4 trays. Then you just choose.
Hi everyone, my name is Amanda. So I work here at Chocolate Heaven as an assistant manager. My work is I deal with chocolates. Like I deal with chocolates every day. I love my job. Oh my God, tell me about my job. We have like a lot of tourists, people from Joburg, people from overseas. They tell you I'm coming from London. I just came here in the Midlands to see the Midlands. Everyone talks about the Midlands. It's quite nice actually. It's quite nice because people get to see things they never thought they would see, like chocolates with biltong, you know, chocolates with cheese. Chocolate make you happy, so I'm always happy. So that's why I love my job.